Hello, my name is Thompson Sewell. I am 5'7", and I will be reading for Barrett. Thank you. So we missed his shot, and I grabbed a rock and I started pounding his head in. He was screaming, but I didn't stop until he was done. And then I grabbed his gun, and I've been holding on to it ever since. You won't see a lot of people walking down the road with a gun. Not that it'll do me much good with only one bullet.
Do you have any stories that are not about killing?
What, you never killed anyone before?
Once.
Well, do you have any stories from where you're from? Tell me about that.
I can't remember much. There were flowers there, yellow flowers, and fields of them, stretching out forever. Dozens of birds flying over the fields and singing the sweetest songs. Nothing like here. Barrett?
Which direction are we walking?
Barrett.
Which direction?
I'm sure they told you the same thing. Paradise awaits to the east.
Which direction are we walking?
What difference?
Which direction?
We're walking home.
Thank you.